My neighbor needed help moving dirt from the side of his house over by his shed, but it was too heavy for me to move by myself. Lucky for me, I learned about simple machines and how they can provide a mechanical advantage. Using a wheelbarrow that is made up of three simple machines, a screw, wheel, and axle, and lever, I can make moving this dirt to the shed a lot easier. The lever component of a wheelbarrow is a second-class lever. Looking at this three-body diagram, we can see that the fulcrum's on one side, the effort's on the opposite side, and the load is in the middle. The mechanical advantage can be calculated by measuring the distance of the effort from the fulcrum and the distance of the load from the fulcrum, where a mechanical advantage equals the distance of the effort divided by the distance of the load. Plugging in the distances we measured, we can see that we get a mechanical advantage of 3 to 1, meaning it's 3 times easier to lift the load.
But how is it easy to move?
Wheel and axle attached to the wheelbarrow allows it to avoid almost all friction. The mechanical advantage for a wheel and axle is measured by the radius of the wheel divided by the radius of the axle. Looking at the measurements we got respectively, we can see that it gets a mechanical advantage of 8 to 1.
It's accelerating.
Newton's second law says force equals mass times acceleration. My push must overcome friction and gravity's effect on the handles to move it forward. Solving for acceleration, we can see that it is 0.637 meters per second squared forward. Now it's time to take it to the shed. While taking it over to the shed, we can see that Newton's first law is in play. Now that we've gotten the wheelbarrow to a constant velocity, all the forces are balanced, clearly demonstrating Newton's first law of motion. All that's left now is to take it up an inclined plane. An inclined plane allows you to move an object up a y-axis with a lot less effort. The way to calculate the mechanical advantage for an incline is the distance of the hypotenuse over the distance of the height. Looking at the measurements taken, we can see that we get a 2 to 1 mechanical advantage. Newton's third law states that for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction force, so every time I put force down on the handles throughout this video, an equal force was applied back at me. Thank you for watching. My neighbor is happy.